In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to promote affiliate links on Google Ads in 2025. If you're looking to expand your reach and drive traffic to your affiliate offers, Google Ads is a powerful tool to help you do that efficiently. Let's dive right in and walk through every step you'll need to get started. First, head over to the Google Ads homepage. It's a one-stop platform for crafting ads that can reach millions of potential customers online. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a sign in button at the upper right corner. Give that a click. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one, so have your details handy to streamline the process. After signing in, you'll land on the Google Ads home screen. This central hub is where you'll manage everything, from viewing current campaigns to checking analytics. Now, let's navigate to the campaigns section. This is where all the action happens, allowing you to view and manage your ad campaigns. Clicking on campaigns will bring you to a list of all the initiatives you've created or allow you to start a new one. Next up is the Assets button. Assets in Google Ads are essential as they represent the variety of components you can use in your ad, such as videos, images, and text. Within the Assets section, look for the Create Asset button. By clicking on this, you're on your way to customizing your promotional materials. Now let's focus on building a lead form. Lead forms are immensely useful when you're trying to capture details from interested customers directly through the ads. This information can be crucial for follow-up or integration with other marketing strategies you might employ. The lead form feature can enhance your ad's effectiveness by compelling users to provide their contact information easily. When you set up your lead form, you'll need to consider the call to action, or CTA. The CTA is the text that invites your audience to engage with your ad, and it plays a critical role in driving conversions. In Google Ads, you can either choose from a range of preset CTAs or craft your own to align perfectly with your message and audience objectives. When you click on Select a call to action for your ad, take a moment to think about what will be most persuasive for your target demographic. And there you have it. You've now laid the groundwork for promoting your affiliate links using Google Ads. By using campaigns, assets, and lead forms with a tailored call to action, you're setting yourself up for success in the competitive landscape of digital advertising. Keep exploring and optimizing your strategies, and don't hesitate to dig deeper into Google Ads' advanced features to make your campaigns even more effective. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more resources if you're keen to master Google Ads. Until next time, happy advertising.